guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everyone stopping back by. Hey, today we're going to take you on a little boat trip. We got the old floating cabin behind us, and we're going to head up to St. Clair. Probably an hour and a half ride for us. So we're going to take you a little trip, and then tomorrow I believe we're going to head up to Port Huron to go to the beach up there. So come on along, let's go for a boat ride. Okay, what's going on?
Not much, bobbing around, waiting for the bridge to open at noon.
St. Clair Harbor. You've got Southern Charm coming in. You've got anger management and time wasted well.
Roger that. Anchor management, you are on 314. That's also on the south side of our gas dock. Stern and you have a port side tide. Southern Charm, you're on 306. That's also on the south side of the gas dock. Stern and you have a port side tide as well.
Fuck him.
What did you say the other boat name was?
Southern Charm.
Time well wasted.
Oh.
Time well wasted, you're on 308. That's on the south side as well. Stern and of the starboard side tide.
We're busted plunger, we're 310.
I was waiting for that wind to give me a little push.
Yeah, I was too. I'm surprised it didn't.
St. Clair Bridge is Magnum, over. Captain, this is the St. Clair Bridge, over. Yeah, Magnum requesting to exit the river at 12:30, over. Roger, Magnum, we'll have it open for you at 12:30. Magnum, stand by 09.
Hey guys, Charlie the plumber here. So we made it to St. Clair. We hit the St. Clair Bridge with about 4 minutes to spare. And we're all here. Got anchor management down there, the old busted plunger, and then you got this guy. What's up with this guy? He's the only one that pulls in to a slip. We got an exclusive interview with Time Stand Still. So Craig,
what's happening?
What happened here? Just because the wind is blowing 60 knots, you can't spin that big sailboat around, for crying out loud?
It's a 3-story boat.
Is it?
With a 30-foot mizzen sail or something. I don't know.
Is it true that when you were coming in, your wife kept telling you, turn left, go straight, turn right, slow down, too fast?
Very clear directions at all times.
Okay, good. Well, I'm glad that we got that taken care of. there you have it, guys. Black Thunder. Talked to him yesterday. Been on the radar at 98 miles an hour. They cruise about 50 is what the husband says. Wife would rather enjoy cruising about 40, but I guess it's been radared at 95 and 98. He's never had it going that fast. He did have it going 80, but it's a brand new boat. So they're going for a little test ride. I guess they come out every weekend and put in on the trailer and hang out here for the evening, and then they go up and down the St. Clair River. So, cool boat. Hey guys, Charley the Plumber here. So we're up in St. Clair Harbor, Michigan, right off of the St. Clair River, probably an hour south of Lake Huron, and maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours north of Detroit. The boat behind me, as most of you remember from our Aruba video, this is 3 fallers ahead of you, Jimmy. This boat is way faster than Jimmy, and chances are when it's in the water, it's not going to trip in the sand. So guys, here in St. Clair Harbor, we also have a fish cleaning station. Got it all set up where you can come in and bring your catch after a hunt, and to come in here and clean out, scoop all your guts and whatnot inside the trash. It goes into a grinder, and you're all good. So you want to come out and slay the walleye on Lake St. Clair and St. Clair River, this is the place to come. Come up here, check out the boat harbor. The people here are fantastic. Won't have any issues with that. If you're bringing your boat up, they are on the ball. When you come in, you're docking your boat, they are right there for you. So appreciate everyone watching. So we're at St. Clair Harbor. 132 boat slips are available here. I think they rent some of these as a year-round slip, so you probably got, if I was to guess, probably about 60 that are for transient slips. We come every year. Great time. This year we're going to actually come twice. If you get a chance, come on up and check out St. Clair Harbor. It's a great town to hang out in. Got 4 or 5 bar restaurants up here. They got bands usually in the park, which is awesome. And like I say, just an overall great place to hang out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out some of the other videos. Don't forget, Charley the Plumber, Tuesday nights on live stream, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to check out Small Town Laser Creations. They're my producers. They're the ones that make it possible for me to be on air. So thanks for watching. Charley the Plumber. Don't forget, one of the few things in life you get for free, even on the internet. We'll see you soon.